So this is about the transformable quadratic equation. So what are we going to do here is to transform each of the following equation to a quadratic equation. And this is the given. So for this one, we are going to distribute the x to the binomial that we have. So x times x is equal to x squared, and then x times negative 5, it is equal to negative 5x, then equal to 36. Then after that, now this is now a quadratic equation. To solve the values of x, we will have the values of x. So to solve the value of x, we need to make it in a standard form. So to make this equation in standard form, we will transpose positive 36 to the other side. Then it becomes x squared minus 5x, and then negative 36 is equal to 0. After getting this standard form, we will proceed to getting the value of x. So first is, let's identify the real numbers a, b, and c. So a is positive 1, b is negative 5, and c is negative 36. Then let's use the quadratic formula. X is equal to the negative b, then plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then substitute it. X is equal to negative times negative 5, then plus minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 36. And then over 2 times 1. Then proceed tayo sa simplify. First is, let's have the negative times negative 5. So yung una natin, negative times negative 5, it is equal to positive 5, then plus minus the square root of, so yung negative 5 squared is 25. Then proceed tayo sa negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4, and then negative 4 times negative 36, it is equal to positive 144. And then over natin sa 2. Then next, let's simplify again. X is equal to positive 5 plus minus the square root of 25 plus 144 is 169 over 2. Now, let's find what is the square root of 169. So, the square root of 169 is 13. So, therefore, it becomes x is equal to 5 plus minus 13 over 2. Then, let's proceed by separating the plus and minus. So, x is equal to 5 plus 13 over 2, and then the other one is x is equal to 5 minus 13 over 2. So 5 plus, let's start muna dito. 5 plus 13 is equal to 18 over 2, then x is equal to positive 9. And then next naman natin is x minus 13 is equal to negative 8 over 2, and then x is equal to negative 4. So now we have the value of x, which is 9 and negative 4. So we will check if this value of x is correct. So to check, if x is equal to 9, then x times the quantity of x minus 5 is equal to 36. So x is 9 times the quantity of 9 minus 5 is equal to 36. So 9 minus 5, it is equal to positive 4, then equal siya sa 36. So, 9 times 4 is 36, then equal to 36. Therefore, it is correct. Next naman natin is if x is equal to negative 4. So, x times the quantity of x minus 5 is equal to 36. So, negative 4 times negative 4 minus 5 is equal to positive 36. So, negative 4, then negative 4 minus 5, it is equal to negative 9. So, negative 9 is equal to 36. So, if we solve this, negative 4 times negative 9, it is 36 or positive 36, and it is equal to positive 36. So, the roots of x times the quantity of x minus 5 is equal to 36 is 9 and negative 4. So, next is, let's proceed with the second item. So, what are we going to do is to transform this equation to a quadratic equation. So, first is we identify that the given is rational. So, to solve this easily, we will move this term to the other side so that same yung denominator nila. Therefore, it becomes 2 over x minus 3 and equal siya sa 1/2. Then, yung positive x over 2, it becomes negative x over 2. Then, after that, we will simplify the right equation. So, it becomes 2 over x minus 3 is equal to, so since it is same denominator, we will copy the denominator and we will add or combine the numerator. So, pag kinumbine natin siya, it becomes 1 over x dahil hindi siya pwedeng pagsamahin dahil they don't have the same variable and exponent. Now, we have this. We will have the cross multiplication. So, in cross multiplication, 2 times 2 is 4. Then, equal siya sa, so let's multiply the x minus 3 times the quantity of 1 minus x. So, we're going to use the FOIL method. So, 4 is equal to, so x times 1 is x. Then, x times negative x is equal to negative x squared. And then, negative 3 times positive 1, it becomes negative 3. And then, negative 3 times negative x is positive 3x. Then, after this, we're going to combine the like terms. So, 4 is equal to, so the like terms are x and positive 3x. So, therefore, it becomes, so copy lang natin muna yung naiwan. So, negative x squared, then, x plus 3x is equal to plus 4x, and then minus 3. So, if we are going to equate this into 0, it becomes, of course, kailangan naka-arrange din siya in quadratic form. Like, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is pababa yung ating exponent from quadratic to constant term. So, it becomes a negative x squared plus 4x minus 3, and then when we transpose positive 4 to the other side, it becomes negative 4, then equal to 0. Then again, combine the like terms. Negative x squared plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Then, if you still remember, in solving the roots of a quadratic equation, dapat yung standard form natin is not negative yung ating quadratic term. But then, the quadratic term that we have is negative. We need to multiply it to negative number or negative 1. Negative 1 or negative sign. So, negative times negative x squared is positive x squared, and negative times positive 4x is negative 4x, and negative times negative 7 is plus 7. And then negative times 0, it is also 0. Now we have the quadratic equation. Now we will proceed in solving the roots of this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Now let's identify the value of a, b, and c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to positive 7. Then substitute it to the formula. Negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then it becomes x is equal to negative times negative 4, which is the value of p, then plus minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times yung a natin is 1, and then yung c natin is positive 7. Then over 2a natin is 1. So next is to simplify. Pag sinimplify natin, negative times negative 4 is positive 4. So x is equal to positive 4 plus minus the square root of, so 4 squared is positive 16, or negative 4 squared is positive 16. And then negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And then negative 4 times positive 7 is negative 28 over 2. And then when we solve it, x is equal to 4, then plus minus the square root of negative, so the value is negative 12 over 2. So we can simplify this 1. So x is equal to 2 and plus minus the square root of negative 12. Dahil when we cancel this, remaining is 2. So if you remember the discriminant, if the radicand is negative, then it has two solution but not real. Ayan. So ibig sabihin, this is your answer. No need to check it dahil nga yung ating two solution is not real. So this